Next up, we have Dr. Kawanna Leggett. She is LMU's Senior Vice President for Student Affairs. She's an accomplished, justice-oriented student development leader. Her background as a student advocate resonates with LMU's Catholic, Jesuit, and Marymount mission to elevate the LMU student experience and inspire the community. Dr. Leggett oversees just about every program, organization, and service that students at LMU interact with. So she's clearly very busy, and we're very glad to have her here tonight. Please give her a big welcome.
I've never been so nervous for 1 minute. In our academic pursuits, the destination often seems crystal clear: graduation, career, and then success. But the journey, that's where the magic happens. I've seen it in my own journey, from growing up in a one-stoplight town in North Carolina to living in Los Angeles working at LMU. As students, you have been here not to just collect degrees, you're crafting your identity, developing into emerging leaders. My role in student affairs is tied to the ideal of creating a sense of belonging throughout your collegiate journey. It's about nurturing your journey, the challenges faced, the lessons learned, and the leadership developed. Sure, you have goals during your college years, but it's equally vital to savor the moment. The late night study sessions, the connections made, the personal growth, these are where the blocks of success are built. I encourage you to strike a balance, embrace the journey, for within it lies your college experience. The destination will come, but it's truly the transformation that you go through. Here's to navigating college and finding your purpose.